Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable image stabilization on Snapchat. If you want your videos to be smooth when you record them without any shaky hands, this is what you do if you want to enable it or disable it. Open your Snapchat app. You have to click on the arrow at the top right corner to expand more options. And here you're going to see where it says video stability. If you turn it off, the video will be a little bit shaky if you shake your hand. But if you turn on video stability, it will stabilize the movement, as you can see right here. So that's how you turn on or turn off video stability on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.